Same time, 10 more Pakistani nationals arrested in Bangalore.
How do they come in? The point is, they are getting arrested in Bangalore. Bangladeshis are getting arrested in Assam. And I see the chief minister of Assam, some other northeast chief minister, every time they put up on social media saying 10 Bangladeshis arrested, 20 Bangladeshis arrested. Pakistan. How do they get inside the country? Intelligence. Isn't it a failure of the intelligence? Isn't it failure of the central government? Why are you pinning the blame on state government? If somebody from Pakistan has to come to Bangalore, are they parachuted? Is the airspace not monitored? Where is the NIA? Tell me one recommendation the National Intelligence Agency has given to the state government of Karnataka with respect to these illegal immigrants. Show me one. Or any infiltration that they have given an alert. Oh, there has been an infiltration. 100 infiltrations in the last 1 year. Please be careful. करके एक directive तो है. कहीं है, कहाँ है, दिखाइए. So why are they blaming their incompetencies on us? How do they come to Bangalore? I would put the question back to the central government. What are you doing? Why are our borders not secure? Why is it so porous?